very hot. Last night I didn't sleep well because the aircon is not yet fixed, so I cannot sleep well. Very hot. You see? So we need to very happy. So I am live in YouTube this afternoon while I'm eating. Sometimes I need to live so that they will know that I am not fake. Okay? So that is why that is the reason why I am live sometimes. Because some in YouTube is not the real owner. They are using the photo of the crown prince from Denpasar to buy. But the truth is they are not the owner. So it's really sad. I'm just smiling if I remember. Anyway, my visa is about to finish. I need to move in my other destiny. I don't want to tell the truth. I don't want to tell where the country I go. I want to hide myself because some promises are only promise. Okay? So good luck to the other next. To the other victim of next promises. I need to move on and to look forward. I want to forget about the past because it's not easy. Okay? So good luck.